Do you often feel stressed and anxious? Are you stuck in a relationship which is just not giving you a sense of meaning? Do you feel lost at work? Does your life lack a sense of direction? Would you like to overcome these issues and create breakthroughs in your life? Hi, I'm Aman. I'm a bulletproof happiness coach, and I have over 10 years of professional experience in helping people create transformation in their life in the following key 5 areas. Number 1, mental and emotional health. 2, personal relationships. 3, work and finances. Number 4, life, purpose and meaning. And lastly, personal and spiritual growth. Before you think, what qualifications do I have to help you in this journey, or that maybe I am too young to be able to assist you in such a serious thing, let me tell you my story. I was 2 years old when my parents separated. I remember moving from my home to my grandparents' place with my mother. I had to shuffle back and forth between my grandparents' place and my former home at such a small age. How do you think a 2-year-old feels when something like this happens? Yes, that's correct. I was feeling extremely unsettled, unsure, and I didn't understand why this was happening to me. My journey continues. When I was about 7.5 years old, my biological father passed away. I, as the only male child, had to do the last rites at such a young age for my father. Once again, I was feeling extremely confused. It was feeling very unfair. I felt, why is this happening to me? All my friends seemed to have a supportive father figure, and I just didn't have something like that in my life. My life lessons continued. Rolling forward to when I was 13 years old, I began experiencing a severe form of anxiety which was termed as OCD. To be more specific, I developed this need to learn my lines in my work, in my study, in such a way that I didn't miss out a single word. And if I did, I would feel extremely disturbed and anxious. If you're aware of what OCD really is, you might relate to the fact that I used to feel extremely helpless when this happened. It feels like your mind is in a jail and there is literally nothing that you can do to relieve yourself of this stress. There's no logical reason for feeling such extreme stress, but you are powerless. There was only one thing which eventually really helped me, and by the end of my story, I'll be revealing that to you. My life lessons continued. Rolling forward to when I was 18 years old, I went through a potentially life-threatening physical illness. I had to be hospitalized. I had to go through a minor operation, and during that time I missed out on an entire set of my first year college exams. How do you think all this made me feel? By now, I was beginning to think, why is life so unfair to me? Why is this happening to me? This eventually propelled me to dig deeper. My search for answers made me want to understand, what is life all about? Who really are we? Why do we go through these trying experiences? My personal growth journey began as soon as I went through these experiences. I studied under various masters, various global personal growth masters such as Tony Robbins, Eckhart Tolle, Jay Shetty. I studied multiple books in the personal growth space, and I learned and applied all these life and happiness hacks on myself. I continued to apply them for many years, and eventually I realized that yes, these have made a significant change in my life. I have created massive breakthroughs, and I am in a position to be able to assist other people in creating these breakthroughs in their life. Do you think that someone who has learned so much from life itself and studied under global masters is in a position to help you with his practical experience? I am confident that I can help you create a transformation in your life. I can help you live a happy, peaceful, and a powerful life. Would you like to work with me?